Wait! Before we start, do you want a bundle of 30 printable Hindi PDF cheat sheets? Teaching you words and phrases for conversations for free? Then click the link in the description and sign up for a free lifetime account to get access.
ये है मेरी बेटी, मेरे जिगर का टुकड़ा. This is my daughter, a piece of my liver. हेलो एंड नमस्कार. स्वागत है आपका हमारे चैनल हिंदी पॉड 101 में. वेलकम टू आवर चैनल हिंदी पॉड 101. This is Akansha Jain. The sentence I said in English seems a bit odd, isn't it? This is my daughter, a piece of my liver. Actually, this is a literal translation of the Hindi sentence ये है मेरी बेटी मेरे जिगर का टुकड़ा. But it actually means this is my daughter, a piece of my heart, or this is my daughter, the most precious person in my life. Every language has its own unique vibe, which often comes from the ways people speak. For example, when joking around, getting upset, or chatting with the friends. The language can be very informal and specific to that culture. These everyday expressions and phrases are often hard to translate. There might not be an exact word or phrase in another language that captures the same meaning or feeling of the word. On one hand, using colloquial expressions helps people connect more deeply and add personality to the conversation. It also makes language learning more engaging as you pick cultural nuances. On the flip side, these expressions can be confusing for non-native speakers and will be challenging for translation. This can sometimes lead to misunderstandings and lost meanings. To truly understand a language, it's important to get into the local expressions and sayings. Likewise, in your efforts to learn Hindi, you will often stumble upon some Hindi words with no English equivalents. The elements of humor, sadness, or disappointment are best reflected using native expressions only. These may include popular Hindi phrases, idioms, common slangs, or regional slangs. So, it is necessary to keep these phrases as they are. That said, let's look further at why these untranslatable Hindi words are so important to learn Hindi. First, they carry unique meaning and feelings that can't always be translated perfectly. Changing them might lose their meaning or special touch. Second, by using these phrases in their original form, you preserve their true essence and connect more genuinely with the culture. Third, these unique Hindi words make the language vibrant and help you sound like a local. Learning them will make your Hindi more fluent. Fourth, locals often use these familiar everyday expressions that are more than just word to them. Some Hindi Urdu words might sound complex or rough, but they always make an unforgettable impression on people. Fifth, sometimes these untranslatable words are so fitting, funny, and beautiful that even non-natives love them. So, are you ready to set out on this linguistic journey with Hindi Pod 101 and learn some of the best Hindi untranslatable words with us? Here we go! In this video, we'll be learning some untranslatable Hindi words and a couple of untranslatable Hindi idioms with no English translations. First on the list is jigar ka tukda. Jigar ka tukda. Jigar ka tukda. The literal translation of this word is a piece of the liver. But the meaning is the most precious person. If you are the sweetest person in life of a partner or a parent, You are their जिगर का टुकड़ा. For example, मेरी बेटी मेरे जिगर का टुकड़ा है. मेरी बेटी मेरे जिगर का टुकड़ा है. My daughter is my जिगर का टुकड़ा. This is a special phrase used to call loved ones out of affection. It is mostly used by parents for their children. Second is bindi. Bindi, bindi, the literal translation of it is a dot. But the meaning is a colored dot Hindu women wear on their foreheads. You can see Hindu women wearing bindi, the colored dot, in everyday life, at weddings, at temples, rituals, etc. They come in almost every color. For an example sentence, हिंदू औरतें शादी के बाद बिंदी लगाती हैं. हिंदू औरतें शादी के बाद बिंदी लगाती हैं. Hindu women wear bindi after their marriage. In the exquisite Indian culture, it is a religious ornamental colored dot specifically worn by Hindu and Jain women. As you can see, I am also having a bindi on my forehead. Third is ullu ka pattha. Ullu ka pattha. Ullu ka pattha. The literal translation of this is young one of an owl. But the meaning is a fool or an idiot. It's a slang used to call a person who always does something foolish or who deserves scolding. For an example sentence, रोहन को कोई काम ठीक से नहीं आता, वह एकदम उल्लू का पट्टा है. रोहन को कोई काम ठीक से नहीं आता, वह एकदम उल्लू का पट्टा है. Rohan can't do anything properly, he is a damn ullu ka patta. This is a kind of slang that people use when they are frustrated with someone's stupidity. Although it qualifies as a funny, untranslatable Hindi word, you're not supposed to say it in the front of a person you are referring it to. Fourth is dana pani. Dana pani. Dana pani. The literal meaning of it is grain and water. But the real meaning is earning to compensate for basic amenities or survival. It's another local phrase for the source of fulfilling basic necessities of life such as rations, etc. For an example sentence, ज़्यादा झगड़ा करोगे तो तुम्हारा दाना पानी बंद हो जाएगा. ज़्यादा झगड़ा करोगे तो तुम्हारा दाना पानी बंद हो जाएगा. If you keep quarreling like this, you will lose your dana pani. This phrase falls in the category of untranslatable Hindi words that points toward the fight for survival for poor and lower middle class of the Indian society. However, with the blurring economic disparities, nowadays this is used by upper class as well. Fifth is दिन रात एक करना. दिन रात एक करना. दिन रात एक करना. It translates to make day and night into one. But the meaning of it is to work very hard. When a person is working so hard that he or she loses track of time while achieving a goal, it is said to be दिन रात एक करना. For an example sentence, कठिन परीक्षा पास करने के लिए दिन रात एक करना पड़ता है. कठिन परीक्षा पास करने के लिए दिन रात एक करना पड़ता है. In order to pass a tough exam, what you need to do is दिन रात एक करना. Sixth is langar. The translation of it is community kitchen, but the meaning is free meal prepared for the masses by 6. Anyone is welcome to join it. If you happen to visit a gurudwara or religious place of Sikhs, you can see a large group sitting in rows and being served a fresh hot meal for free. It's called langar. Langar can also be organized outside the gurudwara. For an example sentence, स्वर्ण मंदिर में रोज लंगर खिलाया जाता है. स्वर्ण मंदिर में रोज लंगर खिलाया जाता है. The Golden Temple serves langar every day. Other Hindi untranslatable terms with the similar meanings are bhandara, 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 and pangat, 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 and bhoj, bhoj, bhoj. Seventh is my baap, my baap, my baap. The translation of it is mother, father. But the meaning is a person on whom your livelihood depends. When your source of income and life is completely in somebody else's hand, that person is like your माई बाप. Example sentences: इस दुकान के मालिक ही अब मेरे माई बाप हैं. इस दुकान के मालिक ही अब मेरे माई बाप हैं. The owner of this shop is like my baap to me now. Eighth is tamasha, tamasha, tamasha. The literal translation of it is drama or play, but the meaning is to create a scene. Small issues are part of our everyday life. Instead of ignoring them, some people make a tamasha or a huge scene out of it. For an example sentence, छोटी सी बात का तमाशा मत बनाओ. छोटी सी बात का तमाशा मत बनाओ. Don't make such a tamasha out of a petty thing. Ninth is chugalkhor. 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 It translates to a person who badmouths or gossip behind others' back. In Hindi, this untranslatable phrase is a noun for someone who badmouths or gossips behind someone's back. You may have a colleague who talks back to the boss about every other employee just to gain his trust, or who eavesdrop on conversations and then gossip about it. He or she is called a chugalkhor. Example sentences: शीला पीठ पीछे सबकी बुराई करती रहती है, वह पक्की चुगलखोर है. शीला पीठ पीछे सबकी बुराई करती रहती है, वह पक्की चुगलखोर है. Sheila badmouths everyone behind their back. She is really a chugalkhor. One thing to remember here: it is not to be said in the front of person who you are referring it to. 10th is puja. 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 The literal translation of it is praying to God. In Hindi, it is the term used for the act of worshipping their gods. Hindus often go to temples or create a small place for their daily puja or worshipping in their homes. It is also an essential ritual on any auspicious day or before beginning something new. Example sentences: कल दुकान का उद्घाटन है, हम सबको वहां पर होने वाली पूजा में जरूर चलना है. कल दुकान का उद्घाटन है, हम सबको वहां पर होने वाली पूजा में जरूर चलना है. Tomorrow is the inauguration ceremony of the shop. All of us must attend the puja there. 11th is Eid ka Chand. Eid ka Chand. Eid ka Chand. It literally translates to thinnest moon visible on Eid night. but the meaning of it is a person who is rarely seen. The Eid moon is quite difficult to see. Anyone who is visible only after being away for a long time is compared to that. Example sentences. टीना तो बहुत दिनों से दिखाई ही नहीं दी. वह बिल्कुल ईद का चांद हो गई है. टीना तो बहुत दिनों से दिखाई ही नहीं दी. वह बिल्कुल ईद का चांद हो गई है. Tina hasn't been around for such a long time. She has become Eid ka chand. Next is dhaba. 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 The literal translation of the word is roadside restaurant. But the meaning is a roadside eating place with fresh and relatively cheaper food. On a highway or other outer roads, many eateries or dhaba can be seen. They're open most of the time and serve economical food almost anyone can afford. For usage in a sentence, चलो आज ढाबे पर चाय पीते हैं. चलो आज ढाबे पर चाय पीते हैं. Come on, let's have a tea at a dhaba today. Next is mantra. 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 This translates to Vedic hymn. The meaning of it is the key to achieving something big. For instance, in today's life, couples fight a lot, but some couples are exceptions. They manage to spend a loving and peaceful life. One might wonder what their mantra is to such a blissful marital life. Example sentences. आपके सुखी जीवन का मंत्र क्या है? आपके सुखी जीवन का मंत्र क्या है? What's the mantra to your happy life? Mantra is one of the untranslatable Hindi words which is used in English on several occasions. Last is ghapla. 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 The literal translation of it is fraud. It means proven scandal or a situation which smells fishy. We hear about all the scandals or ghapla caused by politicians. An example sentence of it is, ऑफिस में कोई बड़ा घपला हुआ है. ऑफिस में कोई बड़ा घपला हुआ है. There has been some huge ghapla in the office. Ghapla is another Hindi untranslatable word which sounds serious sometimes. However, as mentioned in the example, it may not always refer to something serious. Many times, the elders in the house use this phrase at home for the innocent mischiefs of the kids. Loving it so far? Then don't think about taking a pause here. Visit HindiPod101.com to explore the world of Hindi. We know learning a new language can be tough. So we start with the basics to make it easier for you. At HindiPod101, we help you learn Hindi from the ground up. Whether you're a beginner or looking to improve, you'll find everything you need to speak like a native, including alphabets, grammar, culture, and key phrases. In the meantime, continue practicing these Hindi untranslatable words in Hindi language learning. With enough practice, you will start to sound like a native. Dhanyavad. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Remember to comment below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more great content like this. Alvida. Bye-bye.
Now that you're finished with this lesson, don't forget, as a free bonus, you get over 30 conversation cheat sheets, but only if you sign up via the link in the description. You'll learn how to have flowing conversations and how to answer the most common questions. You can also print out these colorful cheat sheets to keep as physical study material. so don't miss out on this free gift. Click the link in the description and sign up for a free lifetime account to get your PDF cheat sheets.